Well, hello again. Okay, this is the final product. Not RXB, but REA. No longer a beta. I think I've got everything fixed. I'm just going to show you what I've got here. This is something cute that I'm really proud of. You go to Extended Basic RXB. As you notice, you get a couple of cool things. It tells you the bytes and stack free, but it also tells you how much assembly space is free. So if we go call init, it tells you the assembly space free. As you can see, if it sees that if there's any memory being used by counting up the amount of memory left over in the low rate K, whether it's being used or not. That is a cool feature that should have been included in Extended Basic. I'm very proud of that feature. Also, you have the AMS to show you how much AMS memory you have. So anyways, let's go call, call EA. Let's load a program here. Whoops. We'll just load this one because I know it's there. I kept in the features here, so just to let you guys know. So I just wanted to show you that that particular thing works. Also, if we go to the new menu here, here's the new menu, just so you guys can see it. Of course, you have the first one, which I showed you previously. Also, something else I wanted to show you guys. If I hit 5, like the old editor assembler, it still goes to run program file. So if you've got a habit of hitting 5 or 3, it still goes there. So like we can do this, like disk 9 GPL disk S. It'll load it. And then you can use the arrow keys to indicate which one you want to go to for the name. And then you hit enter, and it runs the program. So that's a cool new editor assembler feature. The directory is a little bit changed. I took out the view. The view, people didn't like the view very much. Nobody was using it. It also had a problem of wrapping the screen. Now, I was going to make it so it was like 40 characters wide, and then you flip over to the next screen, but it didn't make much sense to do that, so I just took out the view, and I got the extra space to do stuff like this. So let's say like this 4. Now, mind you, on disk 1, I have the assembler, but on disk 9, I also do. So the editor assembler is on disk 9 and 1. So I had to show you that so you know. So let's say we're going to run a program, like, let's just load this program right here. Or better yet, we'll do this. We'll go to this one right here. I hit enter, and then hit 1 for editor, E for editor. If I hit E for editor, then this is the editor. Now I want to load it. It'll load the file. Now you see it previously loaded off the editor from disk 1. So if I want to change that, I can go here and go to set. This will set the paths. Like disk 9, edit 1. 2 is disk 9, assemble 1. Instead of disk 1, I do disk 9. 3 is going to be disk 4. Oh, it looks like I got to take that out right there. It didn't overwrite the file, so I'll have to take that out. That's a problem. It didn't prevent the file from loading, though, as you noticed, because it ignores that other character because it puts a enter key between the two of them. So that's something I'll have to fix. 4 is disk 4, so I did find a problem. ORAND. 5 is disk 4 LRAND. And then, of course, for our options, I'm going to put in 6, which is going to be LCSFPF. Also, I've changed something else. Any key will take it back to the main menu. Instead of using 7, any key, like I hit the space bar or the back key. Oh, I found something else I need to fix. It was working, so I'll have to go back and fix that. So any key will move you back. And then let's say if we want to use the assembler, I hit A. There's the assembler. And it works. So that's kind of a cool feature. I just wanted to show you guys that this is going to be the release that I'm going to do. I'll fix those 2 things I found wrong, which was the extension of the file name, and the other problem was the, I'll have to go back and do the demo again, look at it, and I'll fix that too. So we can still do like L for load and run, or we can do P for program file, or you can do 5 for program file, or you can do 3 for program file. So I kept the old features in the way they normally are. We don't need a 1 for editor and a 2 for assembler, because now you have A and E to do that. Also, they do it automatically when you hit the enter key. So when you hit the enter key for like the editor, you can load a file that way. Also, we have extended basic programs, like I can do, let's say, if I go to X, I can go, well, this is kind of cute. If I hit 9, look at this. It finds the load program on disk 9. So if I do, let's say, I want to do this one right here, P. Now, this is unique. I can do like disk 9 for utility 1 or disk 8. I think it's on disk 8. Let's try it and see if it works. Oh, it's not on disk 8. Maybe it's 7. I don't remember which disk it was on. Well, let's do a directory. Let's go to 6. Is it on 6? There it is, 6. So we can hit enter and run it that way. Or we can do it this way. We can do like P, we can do 6, hit enter, and it finds utility 1. So I'm pretty sure that there's no other there's no other editor assembler out there other than RxB. So I'm pretty happy with what I got here. I can't really think of any more tests I can run right now that I haven't done previously to show you guys. Everything's here. I just need to fix those 2 things that I found so far. Yeah, I'll look around for other errors, but this is going to be the release product. Now I'm going to go to work on RxB. It's almost done. RxB is almost done. From the title screen from RxB, like I can go call XB, if I hit like 9, if I push 9, it'll automatically go to disk 9 and load it. Regular extended basic would just error out because it can't see disk 1 load. So that's some of the cool things that I've got here. I'll do a demo of RxB when I get it done. I also fixed a few other things in RxB, but anyways, that is the finished REA. I will fix those 2 things, and then we will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.